Firmenich started in 1895 as a chemist and a businessman, rented some garage space in Geneva from a friend of theirs, and began to start making and selling flavor and fragrance materials. We've been a family-owned company for 120 years. We're the largest family-owned company in our industry. We have 6,500 employees now. We've grown all over the world, more than 20 manufacturing sites. We're represented in more than 50 countries worldwide. The flavor and fragrance business globally is somewhere in the $16 to $18 billion per year. Firmenich has a rather large share of that market, and it's due to our passion for what we do. It's due to the wonderful people that work here. It's due to our fundamentals, the fact that it's a family company, but it's also due to good partners like the OU. When we started, our kosher program was relatively small with only one or two plants. As our business has grown, our kosher programs have also grown, and we've gone in the last 5 or 6 years from a patchwork of different kosher supervision agencies globally to one single global supervision agency, which is the OU. You have to remember, Firmenich's business is not the same as a lot of other kosher certified businesses. We have thousands of raw materials, all of which go into tens of thousands of finished products, and managing these many kosher certificates for different plants in different areas is a monumental task. Without the ability of a partner such as the OU to manage that load of data and that large volume of information, it would be quite a challenge.
We need to make sure that everything is transitioning smoothly from manufacturing plant to manufacturing plant. The OU has greatly helped us build our program over the past 20 plus years, and it's been a fantastic collaboration with them. They've not only helped us build better programs, but they've helped us set up new manufacturing plants, and they've been with us every step of the way.
The OU has been very proactive in assisting us in tackling a very major challenge, such as the establishment of a new program in a very remote part of the world where suppliers neither know nor really care much about kosher. We have manufacturing sites in over 20 countries throughout the world. When it came time for Firmenich to require kosher manufacture in places such as Shanghai, China, Indonesia, or India, the OU was right there with us, and they were able to work very closely with us to make sure that those programs were established and continue to function without any problems. The OU's website, OU Direct, is a very, very good example of how the OU is far ahead of their competition in terms of their use of technology. Everything we need is on OU Direct. We can get our certificates, we can get new products certified, we can have new raw materials approved if we like, we can check our financial situation. It's actually very easy to use.
If we cannot find information that we need, or we need a more personalized answer, we can go directly to our agent at the OU, and we receive a quick, thorough, prompt answer. Everything else is quickly at our fingertips through OU Direct. So we have both solutions to almost unlimited access. That's something that's almost unheard of. We're under very tight deadlines when we have new product launches, and it's been fantastic that we not only have the OU to guarantee that we're going to get it out on time, but we're able to deliver very quick turnarounds, and it's all because we have an agency that understands our products as well as we do. And they've taken the time, the knowledge to really, care for us and build this program so that we can guarantee our products are going through a very quick, streamlined process to get out the door.
We have service agreements that we have to meet in terms of providing the regulatory and religious dietary acceptance before things are put into production. The OU is extremely fast and extremely efficient at maintaining that part of our business. If something like that were to slow down, it would be immediately noticeable on the part of our sales teams and our customers. The OU has never let it slow down.
You have so many agencies willing to certify your products. They can't provide the same type of guarantees. They really don't have the same standards. And we have one standard that is accepted all over the world, and it's so important for us because we do maintain that integrity, and we expect the agency we're using to have the same integrity.
Kosher in itself is no longer a differentiator. It may have been years ago, but this is now a basic requirement for the food industry globally. 85 to 90% of our global flavor sales are customers who require kosher. We would not have been able to move into that kind of business if it were not for a steadfast partner on the kosher side. So it's not a matter of whether you're a kosher or not, it's how well you execute that, which means that this becomes more of a differentiator for us internally. If we can execute it smoothly and we can control costs while doing this, this becomes something that is a definite benefit. The OU helps Firmenich do this.
Customers do ask who our certifying body is. They expect it to be one of the better known agencies. It's part of every questionnaire that we receive in the regulatory group, and it's all the very quick answer for us to give them.
Working with the OU, it's very easy to demonstrate to our clients that we have the absolute highest standards in kosher.